pretty well. I mean, it's pretty well dead. I'll go and show you a spot here. You see I missed this one here. I didn't hit that one. Look how green growing that is, and then look out here. Hey guys, Eric here with Project DIY. In today's video, we're going to use a different solution to kill some grass. I'm going to see if it works using 3 ingredients, and I'm going to show you what those are now. So we're just going to I have a 1 gallon pump up sprayer here, just a cheap one. We're going to use that. This here's the vinegar I'm going to use. I got this at Lowe's. I'll put a link in the description below. You might be able to get this off Amazon, but if one way or another, I will have a link in the description. They say Dawn, but I have some Ajax here. We're going to put that in. And then this is kosher salt. We have a cup of that. They say, I think some have said Epsom salt. I didn't have any, so we're going to use that and just try to see how it does. So let me kind of show you what it looks like now. We have some gravel here, and you can see how the weeds have grown up in it like so. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray this, let it sit for a day or two. Then afterwards I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll see if this is a keep that can use it. They say this stuff is good so you don't have to worry about your animals or your kids. Some of the other stuff has some different, I'm not the big chemical guy. Some people cry, oh, this don't have no chemicals. Well, it probably still has chemicals in it. You got dish soap and other things, but it may not be as potent as the Roundup, so we're still going to give it a try, see how well it does, if it kills it well, and then obviously it hopefully doesn't have quite the harsh chemicals that Roundup or some of the other things have. So we're gonna give this a try. I'll come back in a few days. I'll give you an update and we'll see how this does. So let me pour these things in and I'll show you what I'm doing, and I'll tell you again how much I'm using really quick. So we have a gallon of the 30% vinegar, we have 1 cup of the salt, and then it calls for like a tablespoon of dish detergent. So that's what we're using. I'm gonna pour that in, let that sit so that can dissolve a little bit, and then we're gonna spray it on. And like I said, a couple days I'll come back and give you an update. Thanks guys. Hey guys, back here after a couple days. We've let this stuff sit. Let's check it out and see how well it has done. So as you see here, I'm gonna show you some of the other spots I hadn't treated yet. You see all the grass in here, okay? And I'm gonna go back and show you the other video. Now check out the stuff there that I've sprayed with that vinegar, salt, and a little bit of dish soap. Pretty well. I mean, it's pretty well dead. I'll go and show you a spot here. You see I missed this one here. I didn't hit that one. Look how green growing that is, and then look out here. And all around, let me take you over to this section. This is a spot where I ran out, so here's where I sprayed. And then you can tell pretty obviously where I haven't sprayed yet. All down through here. Sprayed, not sprayed. So guys, if you saw this stuff before and wondering if it really works, it does. And it doesn't have the really bad chemicals. I didn't say it doesn't have any, because it does some of the stuff you put in it, but it's a lot better probably than the Roundup. So guys, give this stuff a try. You got your weeds starting to grow in now. This stuff does work very well. It done it in about a day. You could really start to see it in about 12 hours. It was starting to die, and then within a day's time it was completely dead like it is now. So it worked very quickly. It has a little bit of a vinegar smell around wherever you sprayed it, but it's not bad at all. So check this out, give it a try, and remember, as always, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks for watching.